Hello friend, today we will show you a special trap in bird defense. So in the opening, one should play very cautiously. Let's start. White plays f4, then black respond with nf6, c4 controlling d5, then d5 is answered. He wants this square. So here white capture this pawn with c cross d5, n cross d5. Black threatened to take this pawn f4. So here white respond with d3. His intention is to play and control with e4. He wants this, driving this knight. What to do here? Here black plays special move e5. Now what to do? And white capture this pawn. If he cannot play this like this, then knight cross f4 is the answer. So here pawn cross pawn, f cross e5 is taken. Now black plays bishop b4 sack. What to do here? Here white cannot play knight on c3 because knight cross knight, pawn cross knight, bishop cross c3, and white will lose the game. Knight d2, not a good choice because of knight will come here, e3. It is not a good choice, threatening queen. What to do here? Here white plays bishop d2. Now black respond with ne3, threatening queen. What to do? If here white commit a mistake, then if white plays queen a4 sack, it is a mistake. How? Black will play bishop d7, threatening queen. What to do? He cannot capture this bishop. How to save queen? Why? If he capture, then knight c2 is the answer, forking this queen and king check, forking queen and king both. So here what white can do? Here queen a4 although seems natural and winning, but it is a mistake, a blunder. So here only answer if queen b3, then bishop here, queen here, bishop here, draw in hand of black. Black can draw here, but black has a very good option. We will show in game. If queen b3, then bishop e6. Now what to do? Where to save this queen? Only move is queen a4. Now black plays b5. See this move, and white has only option either to capture this pawn or bishop. So here queen cross pawn is taken, then bishop d7 back. Now what to do? Where to save this queen? Only move is b7, queen b7. Here bishop c6 and queen is trapped. Now what to do? If he capture this bishop, knight will come here saving this, queen will be lost for one piece. If queen cross rook, then bishop will be taken first and then queen will be lost. If queen cross this, knight c2 is the answer. So here white resign. Hope you enjoyed this trap. If you liked the content of this video, then share with your friends. So lesson is, one should play the opening very cautiously. Keep watching Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.